Mitsubishi Colt 1.3 liter petrol has a misfire on cylinder 4. I'm gonna start now the engine so you can hear how rough is running. As you can hear, the engine is running very rough. Basically now it's running on 3 cylinders. I already diagnosed this car and the problem is the ignition coil on cylinder number 4. I'm gonna remove now the plug from the coil on cylinder number 4 and you're gonna see now that is not making any difference at all. The engine is still running rough. I'm gonna remove now the connection from the cylinder number 1 and you're gonna hear now the engine is getting worse. Now I'm going back on the cylinder number 4. I'm gonna plug the connection and you're gonna hear now that it's not making any difference at all. Let me plug now the cylinder number 1 and you're gonna see now the engine is running a little bit better, but not as it should. It's still running on 3 cylinders. So I already diagnosed this car from before, and then I have a replacement ignition coil. Let's remove now the ignition coil from the cylinder number 4. You will need the E11 socket. I'm removing now the ignition coil from the cylinder number 4 and I'm going to show you now the part number for this car. This is the new replacement. It's the used one. I couldn't find a new one for this car. As you can hear now, the engine is running very smooth. I'm going to proceed now with the test. I'm going to remove the connection from the ignition coil number 4 and you're going to see now the engine is starting to run again rough. So once I plug it back in, as you can hear now, the engine is running very smooth.